video. I know there was no intro and I didn't talk for like the first 4 seconds. But I'm new here. Don't blame me. I'm going to be starting a new series. Well, yeah, no, duh, it's my first video. It's just gonna be a hardcore Terraria. So just a good old random character. That's good. Alright. Hardcore. Create. Enter character name. Tifu, obviously. That's probably how you spell Tifu, so I'm just gonna go with it. Alright, new world. Medium. We'll create. No, actually. Yep, actually, medium world. We will create. I forgot I installed this mod. I'll do expert and I will have a crimson. For my world name, I would like it to be H3. Freak, 1 second, let me grab my mouse. Bro, my first video, can't wait. Watch me die on episode 1. Watch me die to like a slime on episode 1. I'd be so pissed. I would be so angry. But I guess it would be my first episode. So I just alright, H3. No, I don't want you. Gosh dang it, I don't want this. Chat, I currently no. Freak, oh, massive. Chat, I need you, like, right now. We're having some technical difficulties here. This might be a second. Freak. Oh yeah, I forgot. This is gonna be a modded hardcore series. So just that's gonna be that way and deal with it. What's the button for the freaking chat? Screw it, I'm just gonna deal with the freaking terrible debug menu I have in the top left. If you're watching this and, you know, comment how to enter the chat, because I can't freaking get rid of it on my life. Wrong button. No! See that? That didn't happen, alright? This is horrifying. trying to watch. I'm assuming. The Steel Bee Ninja. That's how you spell ninja. Boy. Alright, play. You know what? No, going back. Page 3, because we didn't really do anything on that world. Found it. Slash got it. Alright. What button was that? It was that one. Remember that. Quick copper short sword. Got big X, copper X. Alright. I'll fight you, slime. You're wrecked. You're freaking wrecked, noob. Dang, it's my first video and I already feel like I'm being really quiet. What is that? Kill it. This might take a second. I'm gonna stab you in the freaking heart with a sword until you die. Jesus. I've had this game for a while now. It's pretty fun. Since I have such a short video time, I'm just gonna make a lot of videos in one day probably. So. Alright, got a lot of wood. Let's make some stuff. Workbench. Come at me. Make you. Alright. What class am I gonna be? Thrower? Nope. Tank? Nope. Summoner? Yes. I don't want that. Alright, I am a summoner. I will be using my slime staff. Four, I am a summoner. I will be using my slime staff. I'm not only gonna use it, I'm gonna use other things. Duh. It's gonna be like one of the main things I'm using. I'm gonna go look for a cave. I'm gonna go mine things. Hooray. Wah. Nobody heard that, alright? I'm not kidnapping children. Shh. No, dear, come back. Ah, that's where I died. What? No, I didn't die. Oh, gotta get the wolf. Gotta get that wolf from, am I right? No, 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 not like that. Get him, slimes. I'm dead. Luckily for me, I have mushrooms. Mushrooms! Is that a snake? Kill that. Give me your life. Ooh, no. No! Yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video there. Yeah, that's it for my first video.